Welcome back. We're going to continue talking about Metasploit. Metasploit has, other than exploits, some auxiliary modules. Here we're going to see one that allows to check if our FTP server supports anonymous login. Here's the information for the exploit we want to use. And here's the options. The only thing we need to change here is the remote host IP address. Oh, I messed up, sorry. Now we're going to use the IP address of our Ubuntu virtual machine that I created following Georgia Whiteman's book, especially the additional files attached to it. And we're gonna run the exploit. And you see that we can have anonymous access to our FTP server on the target machine. Now, one thing I want to use here, another auxiliary model we can use, is the check option. In other words, instead of having to exploit the system, we can check in advance if the target machine is vulnerable to a specific exploit. This is not supported for all Metasploit exploits, so I'm going to use this option for an exploit that I know supports it, which is this one that I tried to run before, but I was unsuccessful. So I'm curious to understand if my XP virtual machine is in fact vulnerable or not to this individual exploit. And you see that this target is not exploitable. That explains why I was unsuccessful in the previous video. Like I said, not all Metasploit exploits support this option. In fact, I'm gonna try and see if this one supports it. This is an exploit that practically attempts to run all possible vulnerabilities against a target machine by using the web browser. So we're trying to check if our target is vulnerable, and we had to wait for a second. But you see, this module doesn't support check. So this is very handy, but it can be done for all exploits available in the Metasploit framework. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed the video and thank you for your time. Bye bye.